ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्लयजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 522. पूर्व पक्षी is trying to do siddhi of anekatma. Siddhant is saying, okay, does atma have sajatiya bheda? Atmanah sajatiya bhede linga abhava. If sajatiya bheda means atma, 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 all of them will have one jati, atmatvam. This is called sajatiya bheda. What is the linga? There is no linga, Siddhant is saying. Means to do anumanam, you will need hetu. किंचित लिंगम अस्ति येन लिंगेन आत्मभेदम साधयेत् न किंचित न विल गो देयर इन भाष्य सेकंड लास्ट लाइन न किंचित लिंगम अस्ति येन लिंगेन आत्मभेदम साधयेत् यानि लिंगानि आत्मभेद साधनाय नाम रूपवन्ति उपन्यस्यन्ति all the nama rupa they are upadhi like ghata karaka etc. We saw that further in टीका किंच औपाधिको वा स्वाभाविको वा आत्मभेदः साध्यते. If you are saying atma has bheda, is it aupadhika bheda or swabhavika bheda? Means bheda is because of upadhi or bheda is because of means atma itself has something which it will separate from others. This is called swabhavika. Swarupatah. Na adyaha, not aupadhika. Why? Siddha sadhyatvat iti abhipratya. Siddha sadhyatvat means what? So what we already agree? Correct. Atma bheda is aupadhika. We also accept. Bheda is because of upadhi, not because of atma. We accept. There is nothing. So that is why he says it is siddha sadhya. We don't have to disagree on that one. This bhashya line you see on 523 second line. यदा आकाशस्य भेदलिंगम पश्यति तदा आत्मनोपि भेदलिंगम लभेत सह. This we saw yesterday. If Akasha has भेदलिंगम, Atma also you can find because you are not having any भेदलिंga for Akasha because they accept only one. Atma also you will not get भेदलिंगा. हेतु to prove भेद. नहीं आत्मनः परतो विशेषम अभ्युपगच्छद् विस् तार्किक शतैरपि भेदलिंगम आत्मनो दर्शयितुं शक्यते. आत्मनः परतः परतः उपाधितः सेकंड नंबर टिप्पणी. If they accept Atma has upadhitah bheda, not swatah, then atmanah upadhitah vishesham abhyupagacchadvihi. Vishesham is bheda. तार्किक शतैः अपि भेदलिंगम आत्मनो दर्शयितुं न शक्यते. Why? What does it mean? If you are accepting atma bheda, why? No, because online bolo. हाँ, तो what does that mean? तस्य अर्थ कः? No, but why? If online students, what is the meaning of this vakya? If you accept the bheda is because of upadhi, then atma bheda you will not be able to show, because bheda is only because of upadhi. Atma is only one. There is no. So तार्किक शतैः अपि भेदलिंगम आत्मनो दर्शयितुं न शक्यते. न द्वितीय. द्वितीय विकल्प इस स्वतः स्वभावतः. स्वतस्तु दूरादपनीतम एव अविषयत्वाद आत्मनः. स्वतस्तु दूरादपनीतम. दूरादपनीतम किम? भिन्नत्वम. सी 4 नंबर टिप्पणी. दूर निरस्तम भिन्नत्वम. आत्मनः भेद. आत्म भेद. Why? You have to see the पंक्ति. अविषयत्वात् कस्य? No, atmanah avishyatvat. Atma itself does not become vishaya. How will you show Atma having bheda? Atma becomes vishaya, only my Atma becomes vishaya for myself, according to Nyaya also. Right? Atma mana sanyoga will make Atma vishaya for myself, my Atma. Anyasya Atma is not even vishaya for me. Then my Atma, Anya Atma bheda. How will I know? I will not know. So that is Duradapanitam. Atmanah avishyatvat. Okay. Anumanam is coming now. Atma, टीका. द्रव्यत्व अतिरिक्त अपर जातीयः अश्रावण विशेष गुणवत्वात् घटवत्. So I have already split it in 4. So you should know what is paksha, sadhya, hetu, drishtanta. What is the hetu?
अश्रवण विशेष गुणवत्वम.
Anybody else? Online students, tell me what is the hetu. Same thing. Let me hear. You tell. What is the hetu? Ashravana Vishesha Gunavatvam. Gunavatvam you will have to say. Ashravana Vishesha Gunavatvam. This is hetu. What is paksha?
Atma.
It is sarala. Atma. Okay. Now, what is sadhya? So somebody else online.
द्रव्यत्वातिरिक्त अपरजातीय
जातीय त्वम, you will have to add त्वम at the end. द्रव्यत्वातिरिक्त अपर जातीय त्वम, this will be साध्य. द्रव्यत्व is a जाति, yes. द्रव्यत्व अतिरिक्त अपरा jati you have to find. So first you have to know what is para jati and apara jati. What is para jati?
Vijatiya, Vijatiya.
No, according to Nyaya, what is para jati? According to Tarka Sangraha, online students, anybody can answer.
Satta.
Satta is the para jati. All other jatis will be apara. So dravyatva itself is apara jati. What is said here is dravyatva atirikta apara jatiya atma. So you have to find another apara jatiya other than dravyatva. Atma is dravya? No. Atma is dravya? Atma is dravya. According to Nyaya, Atma is dravya. Atma will have dravyatva jati. Atma is dravya, Atma will have dravyatva jati. Dravyatva atirikta some jati will be there. And that is, if I say dravyatva atirikta jati in Atma, parajati can be there.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Which parajati will be there?
Satta.
Satta.
In Atma, Satta also will be there. Anumanam is done by Nyaya. So you have to put everything in their context. So Atma will have parajati. That's why to eliminate Satta, the Sadhya says Dravyatva atirikta aparajati. So Satta also we should not take. Can we take Dravyatva?
No.
Because it is saying Dravyatva atirikta. So Dravyatva you cannot take, Satta you cannot take. Then what should you take? Some jati will be there. Purva Pakshi's intention is to take Atmatva jati. Okay? So he says Atma has Atmatva jati. Atma is Atmatva jatiya. That is what he wants to prove. What is the hetu now? Let's see hetu. Ashravana Vishesha Gunavatvat. What are the Vishesha Gunas for Atma? करेक्ट. आप बताइए. हाँ. Okay. Online, somebody, some new students who are studying Tarka Sangraha. What are the Vishesha Gunas of Atma? बुद्धि सुख दुख इच्छा द्वेष प्रयत्न धर्म संस्कार. ओके. Then these are the Vishesha Guna of Atma. Akasha. Akasha's Vishesha Guna is शब्द.
Shabda.
Shabd is Shravana Guna because it is heard. So he says Ashravana Vishesha Gunavatvat. Shravana Vishesha Guna Shabda we don't have to take. Ashravana Vishesha Gunavan. Now you take Drishtanta. Ghata. Ghata is Ashravana Vishesha Gunavat.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What is the Vishesha Guna in Ghata?
Gandha.
Gandha. Gandha is Vishesha Guna. Gunavat it is. And Ghata is Dravyatva Atirikta Aparajatiya. Ghata has any jati? Ghatatva. Ghatatva is Dravyatva Atirikta and it is Aparajati also. Okay. So in Drishtanta, Hetu is there. In Drishtanta, Sadhya is there. Now you take Atma. Atma should have, means Paksha. Paksha should have Hetu. Hetu is Ashravana Vishesha Gunavatvam. So Atma has Vishesha Guna different from Shabda. Ashravana Vishesha Gunavatvam. And therefore, what is the nature of Vyapti here?
यत्र यत्र अश्रावण विशेष गुणवत्वं तत्र तत्र द्रव्यत्व अतिरिक्त अपरजातीयत्वम्.
So Vyapti is there. It is Drishtanta. Once it has Hetu and Sadhya, Vyapti you get. Then in Atma, Paksha, Hetu is there. Therefore, Sadhya will be there. So Atma is Dravyatva Atirikta Aparajatiya. This Siddhi will happen. Whatever that's Jati, for Drishtanta it was Ghatatva Jati, for Atma it will be Atmatva Jati. Iti Anumanantaram Ashankya. So this is another Anumanam that we did. Anumanantaram Ashankya Anyatara Siddhim Darshayati. Anyatara Asiddhi. See 11 number Tippani. Anyatara Siddhim Iti. पक्ष दृष्टान्तयोः अन्यतरस्मिन् पक्षे असिद्धिः अन्यतरा सिद्धिः ताम पक्षे हेतु सिद्धिम हेतु असिद्धिम इति यावत्. पक्ष दृष्टान्तयोः अन्यतरस्मिन् पक्षे असिद्धिः. One siddhi can be there in paksha, one siddhi can be there in drishtanta. So paksha drishtantayyoh अन्यतरस्मिन् पक्षे असिद्धिः अन्यतरा सिद्धिः ताम. Now first one, पक्षे हेतु असिद्धम. What is paksha? Atma. In paksha hetu asiddha. Who will give hetu asiddhi for paksha? Siddhanti. Siddhanti will say, what are you talking? Atma has Vishesha Guna other than Shravana. What will Siddhanti say here? Atma has no Guna. Atma is Nirguna. You are trying to prove Atma is having some Vishesha Guna different from Shravana. Atma is Nirguna. Sakshi Cheta Kevalo Nirgunasya. See second number Tippani. नाम रूपाभ्याम च इति नहि प्रतीचो गुणवत्ता केवलो निर्गुणश्च इति श्रुतेः. This much you keep. And what about sukhadi? Where will they go? Sukhadinancha मनोधर्मत्वात्. एतत् सर्वं मन एव. काम संकल्प विचिकित्सा
श्रद्धा श्रद्धा धृतिर् धीर् 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 इत्येवम् आदि.
एतत् सर्वं मन एव इति. This we already saw in Brahadaranyaka. So Vedanti has a way to explain all these gunas are in Manaha, Antakarana, not in Atma. Atma is Nirguna. Second number Tippani we have not come yet, but we are seeing. So one is Hetu Asiddhi. Pakshe Hetu Abhava. Swarupa Siddhi. See, it is given further. Iti eke avarnayan vastutastu paksha asiddhi swarupa siddhyor madhye अन्यतरा सिद्धिम इति एव द्रष्टव्य. So मुख्य मत is given first. See, what does that line mean? There are two asiddhi. One is ashraya siddhi, another is swarupa siddhi. Okay. So if you show this way, hetu is not there in drashtanta and hetu is not there in paksha. Paksha drashtantayoho anyatarasmin pakshe asiddhi anyatara siddhi. Am pakshe hetu asiddhim iti yavat. In drashtanta, if hetu is not there, then what is the dosha?
Sadhana Vaikalya.
Sadhana Vaikalyam. Note down if you don't know so that you can recollect it later. Paksha Siddhi and Swarupa Siddhi. So, Paksha Siddhi, Atma is not Asiddha. But what kind of Atma Purva Pakshi thinks that Atma is Asiddha for us? Means Saguna Atma, Vikari Atma, that Atma is Asiddha in Siddhanti. That's why you can take Anyatara Siddhi means Ashraya Siddhi and Swarupa Siddhi both. Now see Bhashya. Yadyat para Atma Dharmatvena Abhyupagacchati tasya tasya Namarupatmakatva Abhyupagaman Namarupabhyancha Atmano Anyatva Abhyupagamat. Yadyat para. Para means Nayayika. Vadi. Atma Dharmatvena Abhyupagacchati. Whatever he takes as Atma Dharma, all of that is Tasya Tasya Nama Rupatmakatvat. All of them are Nama Rupa. They belong to Nama Rupa Bhyamcha Atmano Anyatva Abhyupagamat. Whatever is having Nama Rupa is different from Atma. Atma does not have any Nama Rupa. Atma is free from Nama Rupa. So second number Tippani we saw already. Akasho vai nama Namarupayor nirvahita te yadantara tad brahma iti shrutehe. Akasha here means Brahma. What is the sutra? Brahma Sutra?
Akashastallingat.
Akashastallingat. This Brahma gets one sanya Akasha. Why? Linga is there, means the Shruti is the Linga. And that Akasha means Brahma is Nirvahita of Namarupa. Namarupa yoho Nirvahita. Nirvahita means does Nirvahanam. It supports all Namarupa. Te yadantara tad Brahma. te means nama rupe. 6 number tippani. There is one correction here. Te nama rupe tadvati iti yavat. Up to this is 6 number. Then yasmin adhyaste is 7 number. यस्मिन् नाम रूपे अध्यस्ते यतो भिन्ने इति वा. There where नाम रूप are adhyastha means नाम रूप are mithya, right? When they are superimposed, they are mithya, and therefore they are different from Atma. टीका ताभ्याम आत्मनो अन्यत्व अभ्युपगमे मानम उपन्यस्यति. Atma is different from Nama Rupa. How do you prove? This is the Shruti. This is from Chandogya, 8th chapter. 8:14 or 8:12 one. 8:14 one. इति श्रुतेः नामरूपे व्याकरवाणी इति च. नामरूपे व्याकरवाणी छांदोग्य 6th chapter. Hmm? 6-3. But what is the Shruti other than this one? अनेन जीवेन आत्मना अनुप्रविश्य नामरूपे व्याकरवाणी इति. So 2 Shrutis are there to show Namarupa are different from Atma. Atma is Adhishthanam where Namarupa are Adhyastha. Therefore they are Mithya. Tika Tatraiva Upapattim Aha. Upapatti, and then what is the Pratika? Utpatti. What is the difference between Upapatti and Utpatti?
Upapatti is Jnanam, Utpatti is
Upapatti is Jnanam. Any other? Upapatti means? Upapatti means Yukti. Upapatti means Yukti. Tika tatraiva upapattim aha. Upapatti means Yukti. What is the Yukti? Utpatti pralayatmake hi namarupe tad vilakshanam cha brahma. Utpatti pralayatmaka, they are Namarupa. Namarupa, they will have Utpatti, they will have Pralaya. Brahma is Tad Vilakshanam. This is the Yukti. What is Vedanti trying to say in one line? Can somebody say?
Atma is Nirguna.
Atma has no Vishesha Guna. That was
Adi, there is a difference. Atma, there is no difference.
Okay. So Atma is Nirguna, you say Atma doesn't have Visheshan. All the Vedas that Purva Pakshi is seeing, many Atmas, is only because of Namarupa. Namarupas are not part of Atma. Therefore, that Bheda Buddhi, that this is different, is erroneous. Vedas are not in Atma. Vedas are because of Namarupa. Namarupa are different from Atma and they are Mithya. So this is how when you study, and this is why what you should do is, after the part is over, when you see whatever text, 1, 2, 3, 5, how many ever texts that you are attending, one is you should know each sentence. This is the tika, this is the bhashya, etc. How you connect. But then you should also know that this prakarana, whether it is 5 lines or 10 lines, what is that somebody, whether it is Purvapakshi trying to say or Siddhanti trying to say. So like one sara, because one buddhi comes from each line. One jnanam takes place, I understood this, I understood this. But then one should be the overall, what is the main thread going. So by this Pratipadanam, all Vedas, whatever we discussed earlier, Aupadika Veda, Swabhavika Veda, or before that, if there are many Atmas, then what will happen, this, that, all of that is put to rest by this discussion. And this prama that we get, this is called sadhana. This new understanding that I get, this is mukhya sadhana. How many japas I am doing, how many times I am going around this mandir or that sadhana is for that sadhaka who is not able to get prama from these vakyas. Study of bhashya, tika, etc. When this produces prama, now I carry this understanding. Nama Rupa are not part of Atma. Therefore, Atma cannot have Anekatvam. Anywhere you need Atma plus some Nama Rupa. Nama Rupa is Mithya. This new understanding is actually called sadhana. In this way, when I build new understanding and I am able to have samskara of these, such samskaras that whenever I am disturbed, whenever I go back to how I was before studying Vedanta, these samskaras should become available. Means this jnanam should be saving knowledge. It should save me from problems. My objective is how I can remain sukhi or happy, even at the level of mind. So one is, I understand Atma is Ananda Swarupa itself. This is wonderful. Second is, I have to remain in this Jivan Mukti Ananda. That's why Panditaha na anushocanti. I will elaborate this in some other session, but one or two things I will point out here also. Kaha king karma. I have no interest in that. Who is doing what, why? This avyaprata buddhi means the one whose buddhi does not do this vyapara will be sukhi all the time. Why this person is like this? Why this person? Why? Avyaprata buddhi. So panditaha na anushocanti, avyaprata buddhi. All these samatvam, this is what I have to actually carry. This is my sadhana. Sadhana is not what I write down as notes. Sadhana is not how fluently I memorize, fluently I reproduce. Sadhana is what I carry as my new understanding. Sadhana is, if I have understood, Ishwar is not only Nimitta Karanam, Ishwara is Upadana Karanam of this Jagat. Nimitta Karanam is Ishwara that I knew in childhood itself. Now also I know only this much. After studying all Upanishads and so many other things. New understanding, if I'm not able to carry, I am not doing any sadhana actually. Shravana sadhana is not happening. Some other sadhana you are doing, that is okay. Then that sadhana anyway is not going to help you much. Shravan sadhana means upadan karana is Paramatma. That Paramatma whose bhakti I am doing, who is my Ishta. And therefore, Adveshta Sarvabhutana. Then the corollary of that will be this. Otherwise, whatever was there before, whatever is there now is same thing. So, Vedanta Shravanam means this is what I have to learn. Not Pankti, I know this line, and I can explain what is the sutra here and what is the vyapti here and what is. All of that should finally come to this point. Means we are not studying for telling others. Swanta Sukhaya Tulasi Raghunath Gatha. I should understand how I am Ananda Swarupa and I should remain in that. I am Ananda Swarupa, but I am not able to access any Ananda from myself. Not only that, if from outside also I don't know how to remain Ananda. Means in Sattvic Ananda. Then what is the use? Okay, further. Anumana avirodham upasamharati. Ato anumanasya avishayatvat. Kuto anumana virodha. So now, what is anumana avirodham? Where did we come from in this line? Anybody? Three things Siddhanti had said earlier.
Three
What were the
points,
three?
Vedanta. Pratyaksha, Prama,
Pratyaksha Virodha.
Anumanam, and Agama Virodha.
Three Virodhas. Purvapakshi had said this is the Virodha. So Siddhanti said Pratyaksha there is no Virodha. Then now he is concluding Anumana Avirodha. That what we are saying and what you are saying, you are talking about some Anatma as Atma. And what Atma we are saying, you have no idea what is that Atma. So where is Virodha? You are talking about something which has Nama Rupa as part of it. That is Anatma for us. We are not talking about that one. So Ata Anumanasya eva avishayatvat. Our Atma is Anumanasya avishaya. This Anumanasya avishaya is Ashraya Siddhi in that Anumana. Because Paksha itself is Asiddha now. Atma you can make as Paksha only if it is available. Like you say, Parvata is Paksha. Right? This Parvata you know through some other sadhana, some other means. That way Atma you will never know. So Atmanaha avishayatva, Anumanasya eva avishayatva. Kuto Anumana Virodha. Where is Anumana Virodha? Your Anumanam is different. So Pratyaksha Anumanam over. Now Agama. Agama Virodham Ukta Nyayati. Nyayati. Nyaya Atideshena Nirakati. Agama Virodham Ukta Nyaya Atideshena Nirakati. And therefore, Agama Virodha is also not there. Why Agama Virodha is not there? So all these Shrutis are already shared and Pratyaksha Anumana Virodha is not there. Agama Virodha anyway is not there because Purvapakshi, what Shruti he had shown for Virodha? See? Huh? No, here. That was too long back.
आकाशो वा नाम रूपयोर्निर्वाहिता ते यतंत्रला तत्ब्रह्म and नाम रूपे व्याकरणवाणी.
Shastra Virodha was that the Veda Shastra requires different Kriya Karaka Phala for different Prapti. You have to do all the Karma Kanda Virodha that was shown. That is the Agama Virodha that you have to take care. All those. Okay, so further now. औपाधिक भेद आश्रयत्वेन व्यवहारस्य उपपन्नत्व उपदर्शनेन इति यावत्. औपाधिक भेद आश्रयत्वेन व्यवहारस्य उपपन्नत्व उपदर्शनेन. By this, etena means all these. औपाधिक भेद आश्रय is for व्यवहार. व्यवहारस्य उपपन्नत्व is shown उपदर्शनेन. आगम विरोधः प्रत्युक्तः. औपाधिक भेद is accepted for vyavahara because Chaitraha gacchati, Maitrotisthati, Maitrastisthati. So how do you accept? So you say Chaitra is different, Maitra is different. This is Aupadika Bheda. But Uttastha Nitya Chaitanya Atma is one. प्रत्यक्षानुमान आगमैर अद्वैतस्य अविरोधे अपि स्याद विरोधो अर्थापत्या इति चेत. पूर्व पक्ष says okay, प्रत्यक्ष अनुमान agama is not there, but arthapatti virodha can be there. So what is arthapatti virodha? You come prepared a little bit. What is arthapatti? Then we will see. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sudra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.